welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making a sorrel drink. So here are some ingredients that I will be using in my sorrel drink. So I have some orange peel, some cloves, cinnamon stick, and ginger. Guys, I will leave the amount of everything that I'm using in the description box. So my stove is on medium, guys. You don't want your stove to be too high. So I'm just going to give that a stir. So now I'm just going to give my pot a cover and allow it to boil. Look at that, guys. The aroma is so good. I really love smelling it, guys. So guys, you can keep your pot covered. I just love to smell the aroma, so I just open the pot and then I'll close it for it to boil. So there, I close my pot. Guys, it's bubbling. So now I'm going to add my sorrel in, guys. So make sure you rinse your sorrel before you add it to the pot. And I'm using a bag of dry sorrel. And the dry sorrel is very strong, guys. So I'm just going to give that a stir. Then I'm going to cover that and I will So I'm going to leave this overnight, guys. So it's best to leave it 4 to 6 hours if you don't have time for overnight before you add your sugar and other stuff in. Guys, if you could only smell this, but of course you would smell it after making this recipe. So I cover it. Leave this until overnight, as I said. So guys, so this is the next day that I will be adding my sugar to my sorrel. Look at that, guys. So now I have a container with a strainer because you have to strain it first. So I strain this twice, guys. So guys, I'm just going to show you the pack sorrel that I use. You can use any of the pack sorrel that you have. If you don't have the dry sorrel, you can also use a sorrel that is not dry. That's fine. So I'll be adding some sugar to it. So what you're going to do, you're going to sweet to your taste. And you want to stir that well so the sugar dissolves properly. So here I'll be adding some red label wine. Guys, you add as much alcohol as you want. You don't have to add any alcohol, guys, but I really love a little alcohol in my sorrel drink. And I'll be adding some white rum as well, guys. And now we're going to mix nicely together. Beautiful. So now I will be adding this to my jug, guys, and then I will leave it in the fridge to cool and then serve. It's delicious, lovely, guys. You will love this.
Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.